Noodle Doodle.
Let's learn shapes with fun.
Circle.
Car tire is the best example of circle. Triangle.
Pizza slice is like a triangle. Yummy.
Square. Wow! Rubik's Cube looks like square.
Rectangle.
Train carriages are shaped like rectangle.
Heart.
These leaves have a heart shape. Oval. Eggs are shaped like ovals.
Pentagon.
His house is shaped like a pentagon.
Star.
Stars in the sky. I hope you have carefully looked at these shapes and recognized them. Now, let's ask you some questions about them. Kids, look closely. What shape is this?
Very good. Yes, this is a triangle.
Kids, look closely. What shape is this? Yes, you recognized it well. It's a square. Kids, look closely. What shape is this?
You are very intelligent.
Yes, this is a circle. Wow, you did an amazing job learning all the shapes today. You're now a shape expert. Well done, little star.